We are coming up on some breaking news here on economic data. The Institute for Supply Manufacturers, ISM Services and Manufacturing indices coming out in just a few after we got S&P, their final read for April, coming in largely in line with estimates here. So as the clock strikes 10, we'll be looking for that data, and we got it. ISM Services 51.9. That's largely, again, in line with estimates here. Prices paid at 59.6, which is, again, not much change from the prior month, which I guess is encouraging here. Employment at 50.8, that is ticking down, and new orders also ticking down to 56.1. So all of that data, the headline number, again, not really seeing much change there, but it's when you dig under the surface that you are seeing some interesting trends here. So just going in and trying to call up the report here, seeing if we can get the April one, which it looks like has not yet been refreshed on their website. I know you're trying to look at that too.
I am, yeah.
Here we go. April is the number I'm seeing now. So it looks like that we are seeing supplier deliveries that ticked up. Prices index only up 0.1 of a percentage point. 14 industries reporting growth in April here as well, as reflected in this report.
I was really just keeping tabs on some of the U.S. major averages reaction here to see if there's any movement on this report here, given that it's not tremendously off the ISM Services Index number that was expected. Not a ton of movement that we've seen since we began today's trading session. The Dow is still holding up. All major averages are in positive territory, but Dow was up by about 0.1%, S&P 500 and the NASDAQ up fractionally as well. We're going to continue to see how the markets digest this data. Yeah. On the same day that we also got economic data, at least in the form of jobs coming from ADP, private payrolls as well, far exceeding the expectation there. So that coming ahead of the jobs reports later on this week from the BLS and coming after a, of course, much lagged JOLTS report that we discussed yesterday as well.